Hello everyone, and welcome to another brand new video. Today on our Krita screen, I am here with the painting phase, which is the third and grand finale of our Adventure Time Finn drawing series. In the previous episodes of this series, which we uploaded at different times, we completed our sketch where we found the right form of our character and our clean inking work that added a characteristic signature to it. If you missed those episodes, you can watch them on our channel, but now it's time to fully bring this strong structure we've created to life with colors. As we start our work, I open a new layer for the painting process and begin with Finn's clothes. There is a very important and professional technical detail you need to pay attention to here. Instead of filling the colors flatly all at once with a digital bucket, the fill tool, I do the painting slowly in strokes using a special textured brush. Our goal is to continue feeling that wonderful traditional paper texture that the Smart Canvas offers us underneath the paint. I deliberately do not hide the brush marks because rather than digital perfection, we are looking for an organic and handmade feel. Just like in the previous stages, these repetitive brush movements relax our minds and offer a wonderful process of artistic focus. After completing the clothes, I choose a warm peach tone for the character's skin color. I continue to paint his face and those curvy, thin arms and legs with the same textural sensitivity. We make absolutely sure to use separate layers for every new color and material, because working on separate layers prevents other areas from being affected when we need to intervene with a specific color later, and it gives us tremendous control. For example, let's say after applying the skin color or the blue of the shorts, we realize we want this tone to be slightly different, slightly more vibrant. Instead of erasing the color and repainting it from scratch, right at this point, we use that wonderful flexibility of Krita and open the HSV, meaning hue and saturation adjustment. By slightly playing with the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders here, I bring the color exactly to the ideal point I envisioned and confirm it with a single click. Now we move on to the backpack. I color the body of the bag by choosing a vibrant green, and for the bottom part, darker tones that will match the volume of the form. Then I move on to the sword, select that bright golden yellow color, and paint it carefully. You can see how those decisive lines and hatching shadows we laid down in the ink phase add wonderful three-dimensionality to the character when combined with paint. I also choose a dark, saturated brown for the hilt of the sword and Finn's shoes and continue the painting process. The main coloring of our character is done. Now we move on to the grassy ground under his feet to save him from looking suspended in the air. While painting the ground, I again make sure my brush strokes remain textured and organic. After applying the green of the grass, we can open the HSB adjustment again if necessary and make minor manipulations to make it look more harmonious with the character's color palette. Now we will add a very aesthetic and professional final touch that will take our composition to a whole new level. Over that empty paper texture behind the character, I draw a soft halo, an aura, with a very pale pastel blue tone to surround Finn. This light background touch detaches the character from his ground, pushing him forward and making the colors pop in a much more vibrant, energetic way. As we come to the end of our painting phase, I gather all these color layers we've created into a single group folder named Color GRP to maintain our workspace organization. By toggling this group on and off when I need to, I can instantly compare the ink-only version and the painted version of the project. Starting from those first question marks, the blue reference layer and the rough skeleton, we have successfully completed this wonderful journey we built step by step with ink and colors. I zoom out from the canvas a bit and happily look at this lively drawing of Finn next to our creative generalist signature and checkmark located on the top right. Thank you very much for accompanying me on this three-part adventure. If there are other characters you would like us to draw or prioritize on our channel, please share them with us in the comments. To refresh your mind with the rhythm of art, never put your pencils down. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.